A write-up is efficient when it has a good structure and maintains flow. Structuring your content is necessary when you want to work on an academic essay or research paper. Structure in writing refers to the order of ideas and their seamless progression from one section to another. It is a crucial aspect of academic writing that ensures all the sections of the write-up are linked together and the ideas progress logically and orderly. The unstructured or unclear write-up does not link the sections of the write-up in an orderly manner and further lacks focus, which can confuse readers. One of the reasons for unstructured writing may be a lack of preparation and insufficient research. This kind of writing may result in a loss of marks. Any write-up is primarily divided into 3 sections: the introduction, body, and conclusion. An introduction is a section that gives an idea of what your write-up is all about. The body is dedicated to the arguments and ideas that you want to depict. And lastly, the conclusion. This is where you summarize everything and speak